So if you're looking at the world and you're thinking about freaking 3,000 things, you can overcome 3,000 things. That sense of awareness develops as you work at it. That is not a thing that just happens. That is not a fluke of nature. Sometimes it can be, and in the past, in human history, it has been. Once in a while in history, you find some really weird shit, and you're like, wow, I don't know what this is. This is a medical anomaly. This is a scientific anomaly, whatever. The reason that it was so weird was that it was the first time that it happened. But when you understand that things will repeat, they're going to happen again and again, they kind of lose their weirdness because you've seen them more than once. So whatever you've seen out there, like in the medical community, whatever anomalies you've seen throughout the world, rest assured those things will happen again. That is not a once fluke. That is your introduction to this is going to be a thing in the future.